Look around you. Different things born out of truth and passion. Business software, it's our craft, our identity. Thoughtfully engineered, passionately designed to help you transform your business. Zoho, made in India, made for the world.
But let's now talk about the other angle there, because Prime Minister's congratulatory message for Team India has set the tone for politics, and congratulating Team India, the Prime Minister has defined last night's final as Operation Sindoor on the games field. Because this was never just about cricket. This was about dignity, this was about pride, and this was about drawing a line and isolating Pakistan. Telling the world that every battlefield against Pakistan, India will show its enemy its place. But the opposition and the ecosystem seems to be sulking, leave alone even congratulating Team India on its victory. Congress party is now lecturing Team India on sportsmanship. There are others in the Congress as well who are slamming the Prime Minister for defining last night's match as Operation Sindoor on the games field.
पानी में, हवा में, खेल में जहां मौका मिला वहां राजनीति खूब जम से करो और पोलराइजेशन करो। ये नरेंद्र मोदी जी की जो नीति है उसका एक प्रत्यय कल के उनके इस भूमिका से आया है। भारत कोई पहली बार एशिया कप जीता नहीं, हमको फख्र है उनके जीत का, मगर एक गरिमा हमारे देश की जो है उसका ध्यान वो नहीं रखते, उस पर मैं अफसोस जाहिर करता हूं।
Well, Nyamika, what should come first? Congratulatory messages for Team India or politics on such a situation?
Well, one thing which must be noticed here is that there is no such tweet which is being made by the top leadership of the Congress party congratulating Team India for winning Asia Cup, whether it is the Congress president, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, or the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. There is no such message which has come on their part to congratulate the Indian cricket team for this victory. But on the other side, if we talk about the politics in particular, then we have seen that how various leaders within the Congress party are also questioning the sportsmanship of our team players, as we have seen that how the Maharashtra Congress leaders have reacted over the same saying that either there should be a dignity which must be maintained during the matches, or the government shouldn't have allowed any such kind of match taking place between India and Pakistan. If the Prime Minister is basically stating Operation Sindoor in this victory of the Indian cricket team, so clearly the politics has already started earlier also during the time when the first cricket match in this Asia Cup had taken place between India and Pakistan.
Namika, not only congratulatory messages for Team India is missing, but it seems what is even more missing is the conduct and the behavior that was put up by the PCB chief. We are not hearing that from the opposition side to actually, make a comment on his action, on his behavior. Shehzad Poonawalla of the BJP is with us. Good morning, Shehzad. We are not looking at any congratulatory messages coming in from the opposition side, including the Congress. What do you believe could be the possible reason?
One can understand that Pakistan praises Congress party and its cricketers praise Rahul Gandhi so much that they are so grateful to Pakistan that today when we have repeated Operation Sindoor on the playing field and we have thrashed Pakistan, and over and above that Pakistan has shown the pettiness to run away and do trophy chori or cup chori, Congress party and Rahul Gandhi have not a word to say against Pakistan. So clearly where the loyalties of the Congress party lie is evident from the fact that Mr. Rahul Gandhi, who's a serial tweeter, hasn't found the time to tweet one message either condemning Pakistan's childish and petty behavior of running away with the trophy, or even congratulating the Indian team on their spectacular victory. I mean, it's beyond me that if India wins a cricket match, and that too such an important one, why is the entire Congress party in Matam mode? Congress is in Matam mode because India has won against Pakistan.
And at least 3 times, of course, when it comes to this entire tournament is concerned. But Shehzad, what the Congress party, is saying on the Prime Minister's message in particular, where he was congratulating and the Operation Sindoor reference that was made, the Congress party is of the opinion that every field is now being polarized.
So is there a contention that Pakistan should not have been defeated on the cricket field? Is there contention that giving Pakistan a befitting response on the cricket field is the wrong thing by the Indian team? I mean, it is beyond me to understand that Pakistan politicizes, plays petty things and runs away with our trophy, brings in politics on the sports field, and when the Indian cricket team gives a befitting
So,
response...
Shehzad, the
and
questions
dedication-
you are asking, let me put that across to Mr. Rashid Alvi of the Congress. Mr. Alvi, good morning to you, sir. Would you first like to congratulate Team India on their victory?
Yeah, definitely, we congratulate. But important thing is, why our government? Only because son of Amit Shah is in charge of all this cricket committee, they have allowed to play with Pakistan. Have you asked this question from those our sisters who have lost their husbands in Pahalgam? Have you asked this question from those children who have lost their father in Pahalgam? How can you, just a few months back, we attacked Pakistan and now we are playing games with Pakistan. What is this? It is, nobody can approve it. If anybody has love for this country, cannot approve it. It is unfortunate on the part of government of India to allow to play with Pakistan.
But Mr. Alvi, what is your opinion when it comes to the men in blue, the way that they were, openly defying Pakistanis? Their very demeaning gestures that they made on the cricket field, especially when it comes to not shaking hands with them and not ready to even accept the trophy on part of the PCB chief. Isn't that the messaging that has gone across from India's side?
They have done the right thing. And definitely they have shown mirror to Prime Minister and this government that in spite of this fact that we have been allowed to play with Pakistan, we are not going to shake hands with them. I appreciate it. I congratulate them. And they have shown mirror to this government that we have done it. We have won the match. In spite of that, we are not going to shake hands with Pakistani players.
All right. Thank you very much, Mr. Rashid Alvi, for joining us here on the broadcast. Well, several questions that are now being put across by the opposition as well. IP Singh जी भी हमारे साथ फोन लाइन पे जुड़ गए हैं. IP Singh जी, सबसे पहले मुबारकबाद तो देंगे कम से कम हमारे जितने यहाँ पर प्लेयर्स हैं. क्रिकेट में अगर हमने देखा है कि एक नया मकाम हासिल किया है, वहां पे हम देख रहे हैं कि एशिया कप फाइनल में पाकिस्तान को फिर से हरा दिया भारत ने.
लेकिन जिस तरह का मैच हुआ, जिस तरह से संकट में पूरी टीम रही और बड़ी मुश्किल से हम ये मैच जीत पाए हैं, लेकिन एकता जीत की बुनियाद होती है और एशिया जीतने पर हम सभी भारतीय टीम को एक बधाई देते हैं. सभी खिलाड़ियों की एकजुटता, प्रशिक्षकों को और जो भी सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ है, साथ साथ देशवासियों को भी हार्दिक बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं देते हैं. लेकिन उन परिवारों पर क्या बीत रही है, वो उन शहीद जो सैनिक शहीद हुए, जो तमाम लोग नागरिक शहीद हुए, उसके बाद भी प्रधानमंत्री जी की ओछे बयान आते हैं, ओछी हरकतें करते हैं जिस तरह से.
लेकिन IP सिंह जी, उसका भी तो जवाब हमारी खिलाड़ियों की तरफ से दिया गया. हाथ मिलाने से मना कर दिया. हमने देखा कि जिस तरीके के आपत्तिजनक जो जेस्चर्स थे वो पाकिस्तानी प्लेयर्स की तरफ से किए जा रहे थे. हमने देखा कि किस तरीके से वो रेफरी के अगेंस्ट कंप्लेन कर रहे थे. ये सारी बातें अब नामंजूर है. हमने मैच खेला और मैच में ही हराया, चाहे वो बैटल फील्ड हो, चाहे वो गेम्स की फील्ड हो. ये संदेश जाता हुआ नजर आ रहा है.
यूनाइटेड नेशंस में आप देते, उनगा में आप जवाब देते, आप इंटरनेशनल लेवल पर आपने इतनी टीमें देखी, उसके बाद भी हम बताने में सफल नहीं हो पाए कि भारत ने क्या हासिल किया ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में. सिवाय खोने के, सिवाय देश की बेइज्जती के, सिवाय आप देखिए अमेरिका की क्या, अमेरिका ने भारत के सारे व्यवसाय को पूरी तरह ठप कर दिया है. हमारे लाखों लोग बेरोजगार हो गए. हमारा भदोही का कालीन उद्योग जो लाखों करोड़ रुपए का, वो पूरा का पूरा ठप पड़ा है. फार्मास्यूटिकल सेक्टर देखिए, फार्मास्यूटिकल पर 100% टैरिफ लगा दी गई. हमारे जो IT एक्सपर्ट हैं उनके ऊपर गाज गिरी है. सवाल ये है कि प्रधानमंत्री जी को अब इस्तीफा दे देना चाहिए. इस तरह की हल्की बातें करने से उन्हें बचना चाहिए.
मतलब आप सीधा उसी पर जा रहे हैं जिस तरह से अगर हम बात की जाए कि टीम इंडिया की जो परफॉर्मेंस थी, टीम इंडिया ने जो मैसेजिंग दी है, पहलगाम अटैक के बारे में भी वहां पे जिक्र किया गया, हमारे जो ब्रेव जवान हैं उनके बारे में भी जिक्र किया गया, लेकिन राजनीति इसी के ऊपर होती हुई हमें ज्यादा नजर आ रही है। धन्यवाद आपका आईपी सिंह जी हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। वेल, दैट हैज बीन द ऑपोजिशन सेंटिमेंट देयर, refraining rather when it comes to congratulating Team India, but also now dragging in the Prime Minister, especially on the message that he gave last night. Whether be it on the battlefield or the cricket game, the result, the outcome would be the same. Pakistan each and every time would be defeated. But the opposition, however, doesn't think so. Let's listen it.
कभी कभी शक होता है कि प्रधानमंत्री को विदेश नीति कूटनीति समझती है नहीं समझती है। हर चीज को चुनाव से जोड़ना ये उनकी फितरत हो गई है। अगर हम खेल खेल रहे तो खेल भावना से खेल खेलना चाहिए। अगर ऑपरेशन सिंदूर शुरू है तो फिर खेल नहीं होना चाहिए। अगर चर्चा शुरू है, रिलेशंस नॉर्मलाइज करने की बात है, तो खेल जो है वो एक सबसे बड़ा हथियार है। हथियार नहीं कहूंगा, ठीक शब्द नहीं हथियार, लेकिन खेल एक माध्यम हो सकता है जिसके द्वारा हम हमारे संबंध जो है वो अच्छे कर सकते हैं। तो खेल भावना से खेलना चाहिए। हार जीत होती रहती है, लेकिन उसको हर बात से ऑपरेशन सिंदूर से जोड़ देना ये ठीक नहीं है।